Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Nike gift card. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to Nike.com. Once you're here, select Shop on the homepage of the internet browser. Now select any Nike product that catches your eye. In here, do the usual. Select a size and then select Add to Bag. Once done, a pop-up will appear. Then select the button that says View Bag. Once you are now in your shopping cart, select the button that says Check Out. In here, input your personal details, starting with your first name, your last name, and then your address. Don't forget to input your email and phone number as well. Once done, select Save and Continue. In here, select your shipping seed. Then select Continue to Payment. Once you are now here, check Do you have a gift card, product voucher, or promo code? In here, this is the part where you will enter your Nike gift card. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.